Most of you are unknowingly leaving 10 to 15 grams of protein on the table per pint. The milk you're using is the hidden protein leak. Today, I'm putting Nurri's protein milk up against Fairlife's 2% and regular 2% milk in the Ninja Creami. Same base, different milk. Is this the new cheat code, or is this just expensive milk? Here's exactly what we're breaking down. Price per fluid ounce, protein per pint, calories, and the taste. And stick around to the end, I'll give you a full breakdown of which milk to use and when, so you're not guessing the next time you're at the store. Let's get started. Every pint's gonna get 1.5 cups of the milk. We have our regular 2%, Fairlife's ultra filtered 2%, and lastly, Nurri's protein milk. Now for the dry ingredients, all of these are gonna be the same. We'll pour our dry ingredients into the wet and then mix it up using an immersion blender. And now each one's gonna go in the freezer for 24 hours. We'll first run the regular milk. All these pints today will be ran on the light ice cream setting. This is what the first spin looks like. Let's give it a quick respin, and that's the final product. Pretty smooth, and the texture is pretty good. The entire pint is 322 calories and 36 grams of protein, costing you 4 cents per fluid ounce. Next up, Fairlife's ultra filtered milk. This is what the first spin looks like. We'll give it a quick respin, and that's the final product. Just a little bit creamier than the regular milk. Now this pint is adding about 10 grams of protein for less calories than the regular milk, costing us 10 cents per fluid ounce. And now let's go spin the Nurri. That's our first spin. Our first spin was definitely the thickest out of the three. Give it a quick respin, and that's the final product. This one was just slightly creamier than Fairlife. So now we're adding about another 10 grams of protein for just about 50 calories, costing us 13 cents per fluid ounce. And I gave these a quick taste test. All these taste exactly the same. Here's the full picture. Regular is your budget pick, but you're leaving nearly 20 grams of protein on the table compared to Nurri. Fairlife is a smart deficit default, the perfect balance if your protein needs are moderate. Nurri, yes, it's more calorie dense, but you're hitting these numbers without adding extra protein powder. It's protein dense from the start. Match the bottle to your phase. Now that you got your liquid dialed in, you need a pint that's actually worth making. This recipe right here is the closest thing to Ben & Jerry's you're ever gonna get. Check out that video right here.